Children, welcome to Quick Learn with Vijisha. Today we will see class 7 lesson number 5 operations on rational numbers. We will take the first exercise practice set 22. In this we will see how to do the addition of rational numbers, the subtractions, the multiplication of rational numbers, multiplicative inverse and divisions. We will solve one or two sums and rest other sums are based on that examples. So let's get into the worksheet.
See the first question. 5 upon 36 plus 6 upon 42. First we need to check whether the denominators are same. They are not same. So we will make it into same denominators. 5 upon 36, they don't go in the same table. So we will write it as it is. But 6 upon 42 goes in the table. So here it will be 6 ones are 6 and 6 sevens are 42. So now what you have got the fractions 5 upon 36 plus 1 upon 7. Now we will solve this. Here the denominators are not same, so we will make into same denominators. We will write here 5 upon 36 plus 1 upon 7. Now we will cross multiply this. Here you will multiply by this 7 and here you will multiply by this 36. So now we have multiplied with 7 here in the denominator, so with 7 in the numerator and with 36 here in the numerator. Understanding? Now what is the answer you are getting? 5 sevens are is 35 and 36 sevens are is 252. Same way for this side, 36 ones are is 36 and 7 36 are is 252. Now you have got the same denominators. Now we will do the addition. 35 plus 36 upon 252. So what is the final answer you are getting? 71 upon 252. So this is your final answer. Now we will see a subtraction problem. 7 upon 11 minus 3 upon 7. Here also the denominators are different, but it is into a simplified form. So we will cross multiply this. How we will write this? 7 upon 11 on one side and 3 upon 7 on the other side. Now you will multiply here with the opposite number, that is 7, and here with 11. Here you have multiplied with 7, that means this number, and here you have multiplied with 11. Now what is the answer you are getting? 7 sevens are is 49 upon 11 sevens are is 77 minus 3 11s are is 33 and 7 11s are is 77. Now your denominators are same. Now you can do the subtraction. What is the equation you are getting? 49 minus 33 upon 77. Only one time you will write, as you have made the denominators same. Now 49 minus 33 is 16 upon 77. So this is your final answer. This way you can do the subtraction sums. Next type is how to do the addition of mixed fraction numbers. 1 2 upon 3 plus 2 4 upon 5. Now this is a mixed form. So you need to make into a proper fraction. How you will do this? You will cross multiply this number and you will add the numerator. That means 1 into 3 plus 2 upon the denominator is 3 plus same way for here 2 5s are plus 4 upon 5. Now we have to do the calculation. 3 ones are 3 plus 2 is 5 upon 3 plus here you will get 2 5s are is 10 plus 4 is 14. 14 upon 5. Now here you have to check whether the denominators are same, they are different. So we have done the addition of this type of sums. Again we will solve this. 5 upon 3 you will write here and 14 upon 5 this side. Now here you will multiply with 5, the numerator of this number, and here you will multiply by 3. Here also with 5 and here with 3. So the answer you will get 5 5s are is 25 upon 15 plus upon 15. Now the denominators are same, so you will do the direct addition. 25 plus 42 upon 15. So the final answer is 67 upon 15. So this is your final answer. Next we will see the multiplication forms. Question is given minus 8 upon 9 multiply by 3 upon 4. So this is an easy type. Here you have to do the direct multiplication, that is minus 8 into 3 upon 9 into 4. Here you have to multiply the numerators and denominators as well. So the answer you will get as minus 24 upon 36. This is your final answer, but again you can simplify this. Here it is given minus 24 upon 36. Now how you will simplify this? Both goes in the same table of 12. 12 2s are 24 and 12 3s are 36. So your final answer is minus 2 upon 3. Hope you are understanding. Minus 7 upon 8 divided by minus 3 upon 6. Here division is given. In this type you have to use the multiplicative inverse. That means you have to change this into multiplication form. How you will do this? Minus 7 upon 8 division will become multiplication. If it becomes multiplication, the number will get inversed. That means 6 will come up and 3 will come down. You're understanding? The sign will remain up only. Now as per the multiplication of rational numbers, here also you have to do the same thing. Minus 7 into minus 6 upon denominator also you have to multiply 8 3s. Now here you will get as minus 7 into minus 6 is 42. You have to look for the sign. Minus will become plus. Upon 8 3s are is 24. Now here also you have to simplify this number. They both go in the table of 6. That means 6 7s are 42 and 6 4s are 24. So the simplest form is 7 upon 4. Hope I have covered all the concepts of this rational numbers for the problem set 22. Thank you, students.